Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to open and edit DXF file in FreeCAD. So if you want to do it, first you need to drag and drop DXF file to FreeCAD. After that, this window should be successfully displayed. I recommend you to check this one option, allow FreeCAD to automatically download and update the DXF libraries. It is very important to check it. We need to check this option, use colors from the DXF file. I recommend you to check this one option, use layers, and I recommend you to check other options like you have on default settings. Now we need to click OK button, and after that the DXF file will be successfully imported here. If you want to edit it, you need to go to edit, and you need to click on this one option, select all. After that this object will be selected. So now we need to change mode from part design to draft mode. It is very important to make this action, because now you will see here a lot of really useful settings. We need to create a new wire based on our object, so we need to click on this one option. After that, when you will go to model, you will see here a wire. So now we can click on this icon with two arrows, and you will see here this one option, draft to sketch. It will let you to make a simple conversion and convert between draft objects and sketches. So I click on it. Then new sketch will be successfully created here. So now we can change the mode from draft mode to part mode. Now you can click on the sketch, and for example we can extrude this object. So I click here, and on length settings, on along I type for example 200 mm and I press apply. After that, effects should be successfully implemented. So now if you will click somewhere here, you will be able to check the effect. So how you see it really works. If I helped you to import DXF file to FreeCAD and edit it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my tutorials.